In this video, we will create an auto-scroll image gallery together. First, we need to prepare our images. We're going to make sure they all have the same height and width. We'll set up 3 keyframes and create a looping effect between them. To start, select all the images by dragging a rectangle around them. Then, right-click and choose Frame Selection. Next, let's go to the Layout panel on the right-hand side and check the Clip Content box. This allows us to clip images by adjusting the frame edges. In this example, we'll drag the right edge to the left to hide 2 images. Now, let's turn it into a component. Let's click on the Create Component button in the top right corner. It looks like 4 little diamonds. Then, let's click Add Property and choose Variant from the menu. A purple plus icon will appear. Let's click it to create more keyframes. And let's make 2 copies of it. Now, let's adjust the second and third keyframe. To modify the second state, we will select all the images within it. If selecting by cursor is too tricky, let's use the Layers panel on the left-hand side and hold Shift to select multiple images. Next, we will move all the images to the left by the width of 1 image. While dragging, we will ensure the vertical position remains unchanged by holding Shift. And we'll also use spacebar to prevent images shifting out of the frame. For the third state, we will move all the images to the left by the width of 2 images. Again, we will drag slowly and hold Shift and spacebar to maintain proper alignment. Now, let's add interactions. Let's switch from the Design panel to the Prototype panel and click on our first state. We'll find a small white dot on its edge when hovering on it. And let's drag a line from the first state to the second state. Let's set the trigger to after delay to 2000 millisecond, which means 2 seconds. And let's set the animation to Smart Animate and the duration to 800 for a smooth transition. To repeat this process from the second state to the third state, let's use the same setting. And to complete the loop, let's drag a line from the third state back to the first state with the same setting. And now, we'll copy the first frame using Ctrl+C or Command+C and paste it to the main canvas. Let's click on the main canvas and paste it using Ctrl+V or Command+V and adjust its position as needed. Finally, let's preview the animation. Let's click on the canvas name and hit the preview button in the top right corner. And your auto-scrolling photo gallery is now completed.